Today I want to talk to you guys about Sure Smile. It's kind of like Invisalign. I think it is a lot cheaper. I think it was $2,000 cheaper. I'm going to go over the pricing with you as well as pros, cons, and everything I got with my dentist, as well as Care Credit, which is a specific credit card used for dental. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what they look like. I'm wearing them obviously right now. And if you weren't able to tell, the reason why I got them is because on my bottom teeth, I have a little bit of crooked teeth right here. This tooth is behind this one. So it's not like I drastically needed braces. My teeth are pretty straight to begin with, if I do say so myself. I've never been told I needed braces. I always did, however, want braces specifically because of this crowding going on down here. If I have a lisp or I pronounce my S's and P's or any other letters a little too enunciated, I should say, it's mainly because of these things. So that's pretty much why I got them. Now, the pricing. So I paid $4,200 and I used something called Care Credit. And by the way, this video is not sponsored at all, okay? So Care Credit is a credit card used specifically for dental. I believe you can use it for other specific things too, but it's mainly used for dental, at least from what I'm aware of, and the people that I know that use it for dental reasons. The cool thing about it is that there is no interest. So you're just paying the amount that the dental office is charging you, and that's it. My dentist office said that there is no interest, but if there was interest, then they would pay it. So it's either the dental office that pays the interest or there's no interest whatsoever. So that's the cool thing about it. But it is, another credit card, so it will run your credit and all that jazz. I spoke with another dentist office before I went with the current dentist that I'm using, and they were going to charge me, I think it was $6,800 for Invisalign. So yeah, I'm glad I went with Sure Smile. I honestly don't really know the difference, but I really don't care. It was cheaper, and I mean, it's gonna still have the same impact as an Invisalign does, straighten out my teeth. There probably are a lot cheaper options. However, I didn't look into any of it. I'm just going to explain to you guys what Sure Smile is and, all the stuff that I got, pros and cons, etc. Okay, let me show you guys everything I got first, and then we'll talk about the pros and cons. Okay, so my mic went out, so we're just gonna do it like this. So the first thing I got, obviously, these retainers. They're one of 17. I have 17 total, and I already have the second pair of retainers to go. I'm gonna switch off the ones I'm wearing with these ones in 2 weeks, and then in a month I'm gonna go back to my dentist and we'll figure it out from there and see how many more retainers she's gonna give me during that visit. The visit that I had a couple days ago, she just gave me these two. It comes with your retainer holder, and then I also got these things. They're called Chewies. So you pretty much just put your retainers in and then just bite down just to ensure that there are no gaps between the retainers and your teeth. And I usually keep one Chewy in here. I think it came with two. And this is the box that it came in. So Sure Smile box packaging. If anybody's interested in the packaging, this is what it looks like. And these are the directions that it came with as well. Next, it came with a vibration device. You can scan this code maybe and see if it works. But what it is you wear it for 5 minutes right before you go to bed with your retainers on, and it vibrates to help stimulate teeth movement. So I wash mine and then I wrap it up in a paper napkin, or what is this? Tissue. Put it in, I'll do it right now. And then I think you're supposed to take this white thing off, but I can never get it off, so I look crazy just like holding it like this. It turns off automatically for after the 5 minutes is up, and then you just, put it back and head to bed. All right, so it has a little bit of tissue paper on it, but I don't care if you don't. It feels good, like it feels really nice. The only thing is that you have to do that the whole time. you know, while this is in your mouth. But other than that, you know, it feels good. I like the sensation of it. And I mean, if it's gonna help move the process along with my teeth, then I'll do what it takes. So, you know, rinse it off, wrap it up in a tissue or whatever you want to wrap it in, and then I just put it back in the box that it came with. I just found the second chewy. You guys probably think I'm gross. Here are the directions that it obviously came with, and I just put this back in the box. And that's how I store it, because it didn't come with anything for me to store it in. So now you're probably familiar with the fact that you have to take out your retainers every single time you eat and drink, whether it be tea, juice, coffee. And the reason is because it can stain your teeth. So other than water, everything else, you have to take out your retainers. But you should definitely be drinking water the most, obviously. It's the best for you. Now, if you want to clean your retainers, or if they start to smell funky because you have bad breath, no judgment, but some people do, then you can use these. They come with Retainer Bright. It's a Retainer Bright cleaning tablet. So my dentist said that I can just rinse off my retainers with water every time I take them out, and then before I put them back in. I don't see myself using these. I mean, maybe if my retainers start to stink. I feel like they would start to stink if you don't rinse them out. Like you wake up in the morning and you don't rinse them out after being asleep the whole night. Okay, this one broke. I was trying to open it for you to show you guys. But it just looks like a little Tums tablet. This is half of it. And it really smells. It smells like some kind of like a very light form of bleach, I would say. But I mean, I guess they're safe to, you know, put in your mouth or clean. But I'm only gonna use this, like I said, if my retainers start to stink. And hopefully they don't start to stink. Also, I forgot to mention that the vibration device comes with its own charging cable. But I mean, I already have so many of these charging cables. I believe this is the USB-C. So it looks like that. Just like a oval, no prongs or anything like that. And then the regular USB device. Okay, now I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna show you guys how I take them out. Usually what I do is kind of annoying for me to take out, I'll be honest. I usually use a glove to take them out. You have to go all the way in the back by your molars and remove them from like the top, you pull down, and then the bottoms you pull up. I purchased these things, which are, I don't know, retainer taker outers. I tried using it and it's hard to use, so I'm gonna have to practice. But long story short is like, sorry, my camera's backwards because my mic. So long story short, you put your finger in here and then you use like the pick looking thing to either pull up or pull down. I'll try to show you guys, but. Oh, and the black things on my teeth, that's on my teeth. That is on the retainers. It's like, I think a serial number or something. I don't know. Okay, let's try this. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use my handy dandy glove because I don't wanna look like a fool, and I still need to practice with those. Yes, I know, it's gross, but I do want to show you guys, so bear with me here. If you don't want to see this, then skip. This is the retainer, and the bottom one. I think you guys saw the little moldings I have. And the reason why I have those is because my teeth, because of the way they're crowded, they're like pushed back. So what they need to do is push forward and then straighten out. These are always hard to take out. Oh. Now I have to put them back in. But I just want to show you guys. Put them back in and then they pretty much just snap. And if you don't hear the snap, then you can, you know, use your chewy and bite down, which I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna put mine back in. Actually, let me clean them out for a little bit. Okay. They just snap back in. And then if you really wanna make sure I hope I'm not grossing you guys out too much. I just want to show you guys everything so you guys are well informed before you make a decision, because you know this is pretty pricey. So okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons. So the first obvious pro is that they are going to straighten my teeth. Like, yeah, it may be a little nuisance to wear them all the time, but they're going to straighten my teeth, and that's the major pro, obviously. The second pro is that I don't bite the insides of my cheek anymore, or my lips, or my cuticles, because I can't. These are like not sharp whatsoever. You saw them, they're just flat plastic things, so they don't have like that ridge to bite. So the inside of my mouth is clearing up, which I'm happy for. I can be a little nervous sometimes, and I'll like, you know, bite the insides of my cheeks or my lips. Everything is clearing up. So to me, that's definitely a pro. Another pro, this might be a con if you're not trying to lose weight, but if you are trying to lose weight, then it can help you lose weight. And the reason why is because it's just a whole process to take them out. You saw that, how annoying it was to take out. Then you eat your food, then you have to floss your teeth and brush your teeth and then put them back in. And you have to take them out for every single little thing, meaning you can't just like, you know, have a quick snack, like have a pretzel, for example, and then put them back in, because you don't want any food getting in between and creating spaces in between your teeth and the retainers and then messing up the entire process of you straightening out your teeth. And when it comes to, like, for example, green tea or coffee or juice or anything like that, that's not water. It could stain your teeth. So you have to take them out. And that to me is a pro, because I want to lose weight. I just cannot be bothered with taking out my retainers every single time. So I have not been snacking as much. And hopefully I start to lose weight, guys. It's only been like 3 days since I got them, so. Another pro is that they act as a mouth guard. As I mentioned, I am a little nervous, so during the night, and I have done this since I was a kid, I grind my teeth, which is kind of gross, like you're grinding your teeth at night. I have to wear mine for 20 to 22 hours per day. That includes throughout the entire night. They act as a mouth guard. I'm not grinding my teeth, and if I am grinding my teeth, it's just grinding on whatever this is, plastic or whatever it's made out of. So that's another pro for me. Okay, now let's talk about the cons. So a con might be the pricing. It's pretty pricey. I mean, what can you do, right? Cosmetic procedures for dental is just pricey in general, and I know it's really annoying, but if you really want it, you gotta save up or get care credit. It's definitely helpful, no interest. The next con is that it feels like something is in your mouth. Like, obviously there's something in your mouth, and when you hear people say, oh, you know, you don't feel it, doesn't feel like there's anything in your mouth, you get used to it. Maybe it's just me and it's only been 3 days, so I'll come back in like a month and tell you if this is still a con, but it definitely feels like something is in my mouth. Like, it's definitely noticeable. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like I forgot that they're in there. I can definitely tell that they're in there. You know, I don't know. That's a con to me, at least. Another con is that at least when I first got them, they were really tight, and I'm pretty prone to headaches and migraines. So I was kind of like, oh, I don't want to get a headache or migraine because there's something squeezing on my teeth, you know, because they were really tight. But you know, it has been 2 to 3 days. They're not as tight as they were before, and I don't think I'm getting headaches because of them. Just be wary of that. I don't know if it's a con, but you know, just be wary that they may be tight. And if you don't like anything tight, especially in your mouth, yeah. Now, this may be a con or a pro, depending on how you look at it. But you have to floss and brush your teeth after every single little thing you put inside of your mouth. So say you just want to have a quick, I don't know, snack that consists of, let's go with pretzels again, and you have like 2 pretzels. You have to floss and brush your teeth right away. Now, you know, some may say this is a pro because it will help with dental hygiene and make it better. You know, you're supposed to floss and brush after every meal, but not everybody does that. Depending on how you look at it, it could be a con or a pro. For me, it's a con. I floss my teeth after every meal, but I'm not used to brushing my teeth after every meal, so it's just kind of annoying, to say the least. And then lastly, as you saw, it's just really annoying to take out. I think it mainly has to do with the little button moldings that are on 3 of my teeth, because you saw how the top ones just popped right out, whereas the bottom ones were just like, it was kind of painful to take out, I'll be real. So I am thinking of doing updates. You know, I mentioned it's only been 3 days. I was thinking of doing a month update or maybe even 6-month update. My dentist said that I have to have my retainers in, all 17 of them. It'll take approximately 9 months for my teeth to straighten out. I'm thinking of doing, you know, updates in between, and then obviously I'll do like a 9-month like ta-da kind of thing video. So let me know in the comments how many months you want to see in between, if you guys do want to see any updates, or if you just want to see the end result, let me know. And of course, let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all with regards to SureSmile or CareCredit. I'll chat with you guys later. Mwah. Bye.